Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video we are unboxing our Eyescream beauty box subscription that they did send over, and the Chic beauty box bi-monthly subscription that they also sent over. So huge thank you to Chic Beauty Box and to Eyescream Beauty Box for sending these both over for me to unbox for you guys. I'll be honest, I've been out of town, so things have piled up, so I'm trying to get on top of it, hence why we're doing two unboxings in one video. But I figured this was okay because they're literally separate. Like, one's bi-monthly, one is monthly. So anyways, before we get into today's unboxing, if you're new here, welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we embrace the hot mess. It is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we keep it cute or put it on mute. We have a good time playing in makeup, unboxing makeup, doing the things over here. Ignore the things you see in the background. I literally just did a really amazing home decor Temu unboxing, so stay tuned for that if it's not up yet. So anyways, let's go ahead and give a big shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. A huge thank you to my YouTube members for helping to support this channel each and every single month. To those of you clicking the thanks button and tipping and donating to the channel, thank you guys bunches and bunches. And for those of you that are just here, returning, commenting, interacting with me, and wow, the struggle was real there. I've got so much going on behind the scenes, you guys. My brain is in overdrive, but it's okay. I'm too blessed to be stressed. So anyways, a big thank you to those of you as well that are sharing my videos over on Facebook. I always tell you guys I get so excited when I see in the analytics that it shows that you guys have shared my videos. So thank you guys. All right, let's go ahead and jump into the monthly subscription, which is the Eyescream Beauty Box. Now the Eyescream Beauty Box is going to run you, I think it's like $25 a month. Nice thing with the Eyescream Beauty Box, it is extremely makeup heavy, and you are always going to be guaranteed a palette in here. So I always recommend the Eyescream Beauty Box if you are looking for more heavy makeup or trying to grow your makeup, I guess is the best way to explain it, your makeup collection. They're really good at it, and code HOTMESS will save you 10% off your first box. I feel like they make a great gift as well. So this is the April Spring on the Horizon box, and they do give you a little card letting you know everything in the box, little retail value, and a little information about it. By the way, the boxes are always packaged extremely great. First in here, I see the Beauty for Certain product, and let's see, this says, oh, I'm so sorry, I just read something that's in here, and I'm pretty excited about that. So Beauty for Certain, this is a matte liquid lipstick. It does have a retail value of $22. It's there are a few shade variations. I don't think I've had enough coffee today. This is pretty. It's very pinky, pinky, pinky. It smells good. Should I do it? Let's just add a little bit. Ooh. You know what? So the shade I had on prior was by the Appeal Cosmetics, which I think was in a prior Eyescream Beauty Box. So if you have that, you can mix them together and get this. Actually, I kind of like that. I like that it's kind of a definite cool tone. It's number 02. And I mean, granted, I put it on top of a lipstick already. So it does say it's a matte liquid lipstick. So I don't know how well it's going to dry down matte wise. But it does say these are a pigmented matte lipstick. Be sure to prep your lips with a lip balm to avoid dry lips. So there you go. And then you can top it with a gloss on top. So FYI, it does sound like they are going to get pretty dry if you do not put something on. I would recommend the vitamin E stick from OFRA Cosmetics. That thing, game changer. All right, next in here, this is the Shantico Beauty. This is a brand that we've seen in here a couple times. So it looks like it is a little eyeshadow duo. And it does say that these are the Duochrome Duo by Shantico Beauty. It's an exclusive. So this is a $20 retail value. I'll swatch them in a second. They're excited to feature this exclusive mini palette. The palette features one multi-chrome and one duochrome eyeshadow. The sparkle and the shift are just amazing. They're packed with a pack on the color with your finger and provide the sponge or flat brush for the best results. So let's go ahead and swatch. Ooh, it feels really nice. Oh my gosh, it's like glass. Look at how gorgeous that is. Yes, please. It is not chunky at all. Do you guys see that? That is stunning. Now I know swatches don't tell you the full story, but doggone close. That's beautiful. That is beautiful. Neither are chunky or anything. And mixing them together, ooh, that's really pretty too. I tell you what, I love sparkles so much. We, on our trip to Louisiana for the Creatives and Friends, we got to sit down with Cleona Cosmetics and make nail polish. And I'm telling you what, the sparkles, like I put like a couple little sparkles on me. Next thing you know, I just covered myself in sparkles. You guys know I love sparkle, shimmer, and all things glitter. Can't get enough, won't get enough. All right, next in here we've got something by Charmacy. This is a duochrome liquid eyeshadow. This does have a retail value of $12. Do not be fooled by the color in the bottle. This is a magic in the bottle. This can be used on its own or as an eyeshadow topper. Once this product sets, it can no longer be blended out. You will start to see it get patchy. So I like that they're like just keeping it real with us and letting us know like, hey, let's be careful. So this is what it looks like in the bottle. So let's see the magic happen. Don't know why I'm smelling it. Ooh, what was that brand? Cover FX. It literally gave me some Cover FX vibes. Do you see all those shifts? When I tell you there's like purple, there's green, there's a lot going on here, and that's really pretty. So yeah, definitely make sure to blend it quick. Oh, do you guys see the shift there? That is beautiful. Okay, so on camera it's pulling green. On my finger it's purpley pink. Like there's a lot of shifts happening, and it completely dries down. Like, wow, that's so pretty. All right, next in here we have the Bold Control Graphic Marker. This is by Deuce. I think it's Deuce. Magic Marker Eyeliner or Lip Gloss Topper by Deuce. It's a $23 for either one. This is a variation, and it could be either basic black eyeliner or clear gloss topper. I'm honestly hoping for clear gloss topper to go on top of my lips because I do feel this drying down. Bold Control Graphic Marker. So I guess this is a liner? Oh, it is. Darn. Okay. Well, that's okay. Haley will use it. All right. Next in here, this is what I'm super excited to show you guys. We have, you remember when I said we always get a palette? Okay. Well, my battery's about to die. Great. So we've got the Good to Go palette from OFRA Cosmetics. It has a retail value of $39. And if you ever want to shop at OFRA Cosmetics, guess what? You can use code HOTMESS. I am so excited. Look. Isn't that so pretty? Okay, so if you have my Hotmess Momma 4 palette, you actually have this shade already. And this, it's All the Lights highlighter. It is such a beautiful highlighter because you literally get 4 highlighters in one. I mean, it's so beautiful. This palette is so perfect for spring going into summer. Heck, in all honesty, this is a great palette to wear all year round. I mean, you got fall colors in here. I mean, you could definitely like go little winter vibes here. This is so beautiful. So if you like this box, in all honesty, the box just paid for itself alone with just this palette, right? I mean, it's OFRA Cosmetics. You guys know how much I love their formula. So anyways, that is everything in the Ice Cream Beauty Box for April. I think hands down, I'm always happy and pretty impressed with a lot of the products they put in here. And I feel like overall, I like this lip. It's definitely dried down, so I really like overall that they made sure, I don't know why I say overall, but I like that they made sure to let us know like, hey, it's Maya. It may suck some moisture out of your lips, so proceed with caution. I would say they're really very mindful when they're curating their boxes. So kudos to you, Ice Cream Beauty Box. Like I said, if you want to go ahead and sign up, test them out, try them out. You're not stuck in a contract. You can use code HOTMESS. All right, let's move over to the Chic Beauty Box. My camera's probably going to cut off, but I'm going to do my best. So in this little box, you're going to get up to $150 worth of products for like $35 or so. And of course, I think it's code HOTMESS saves you on your first box. Now I will tell you, this box, you're curating everything. So this is on you, on what's in this box. Now because they sent it to me, I didn't get to make my picks, which is fine. I get what I get and I don't throw a fit. All right, so they gave me 2 cards. Ooh, okay, so we got 2 variations that could be going down in this box. Now with the Chic Beauty Box, it's a mixture. It's a mixture of high-end drugstore products. Not necessarily indie brands, which is what you're going to kind of see in the Eyescream Beauty Box. The first item I see here is the Fenty Beauty Portable Highlighter Brush. So I'm going to gift this because, oh, this smells good. I'm going to probably gift this because I'm pretty sure I already have this in my collection. But that's what it looks like. It does have a $24 retail value. Next in here we have the Clarins Rouge Velvet Spicy Cinnamon. Alright, so we've got the Clarins, I don't know even if it caught that part. It's a Jolie Rouge Velvet. Not opened it yet. It's in Spicy Cinnamon. Look at this component. Like, okay. Ooh, okay, so this is definitely not my color. I don't know. Actually, it's kind of pretty though. I kind of like it. I don't think I have a shade like this. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, it low-key kind of scares me. I'm like, will that make my teeth look orange because of all my coffee that I drink? But I feel like if I do like a, maybe top it with my lip gloss from OFRA Cosmetics, Butterfly Kisses, maybe it'll be a mixer maybe. I don't know. I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna try it. This does have a retail value of $37. Dang, that's expensive. That's really expensive. Okay, next in here, remember how I said drugstore, guys? So we've got a Revlon liquid liner. Oh, this is the wheel, like the MAC. You remember when MAC came out with the liner? I didn't buy it because, as we know, I don't. You know what else I want to talk about? As we know, I don't use liner. Anyone else? Okay, I put my hair in the twisty doohickeys, the kitsch, which typically gives me curl. I did have it only on for like 3 hours. Do you see how straight my hair is? Yeah. It's this flippin', I don't know what's going on, this wackadoodle weather. It, like, back to poker straight. Anyways, so this does have a retail value of $9.99. Yes, and it looks like both variations actually got this. All right, next in here, we do have another product from the drugstore. It's by NYX or NYX. Bear with me. This is a Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil Brow Setter. Huh. I think, is this the one that everybody's like, oh my gosh, this is so amazing? It does have a retail value of $10.99. So I'm kind of excited to try this because with it having an oil in there, like, is that going to help my brows grow? Because hello, struggle bus since the 90s. Since the 90s. All right, next in here, we've got another Fenty Beauty product. This is a Killawatt Foil. Wow, the struggle is real today. My sinuses are like pulsating, guys. All right, ooh, this is how do you say that? Geisha Chic? Oh, I remember when this one came out. Okay, that's pretty, and it matches the lippy. Yes, that's actually beautiful. Like, that is so nice and soft but builds up beautifully. I feel like this would be pretty to put with the lipstick, like on the pout, right? That's really pretty. That's definitely something I'm going to use as a blush topper. I really like that. Okay, that is everything in the Chic Beauty Box. Now, like I said, with the Chic Beauty Box, this is a bi-monthly box. So this is not something you're going to get every single month. And they always have a pretty decent, good variety with all of the products. Definitely make sure to check out my playlist for both Eyescream Beauty Box over here and the Chic Beauty Box, because I've unboxed both for a good long time, and you'll see all the different brands and products that we've seen in both of the boxes. So check out my playlist, and that is all for today's unboxing. I'm gonna get to go editing and everything. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys so much if you made it to the end of today's unboxing. I definitely appreciate it. Don't forget to share this video over on Facebook so others can see a little bit of the unboxing for Eyescream Beauty Box for April and the Chic Beauty Box. So I don't know if this is like April, May, or March, April. Not for sure on that. Let me know down below. And like I said, you could have gotten different variations and seen brands in the Chic Beauty Box, such as Violet Voss or Allure. So there's always different things. Alright friends, check me out on my other channels, Hotmess Momma Vlogs for curvy girl fashion hauls over there, Hot Mess in the House, and then it's kind of random over there. I do unboxings and car vlogs. And then of course, Haley and I have Unconditional Hot Mess podcast, where we upload quite frequently over on our YouTube channel as well as on Spotify. I'm on TikTok and on Instagram at Hotmess Momma. And until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye!